Keeping your baby's body healthy, free from irritation and rashes involves some few practices like a gentle bathing, use of moisturizer, avoiding of things that can be irritating to the baby's skin, diaper care, and so many more. But in this video today, we are not here to talk about all those ones today, but in today's video, I'm just going to be giving you some of the simple routine I've used for my baby. So when I had my first child, I battled with a lot of rashes, irritation, and different kind of skin infection with my first son. I was pregnant for my second son. I was scared because I felt like, how will I deal with this thing? Because I did not want this issue to arise the second time. Like affliction should not arise the second time. So I started looking for things, and hopefully with God's help and prayer, I was able to settle for these few routine that I'm going to share in this video. If it's something that you are interested, then stay tuned. I'm going to be very transparent in this particular video. Few days after I gave birth to my baby boy, some rashes on his forehead. It started from his forehead and spread out all over his face, and I was worried. So I asked my mom what I should use, and she got me a cream that was called Cacatin. But we used that cream for like 2 days and the whole rashes cleared out, but I was not comfortable with it because I felt like it was too strong for a baby. I would say with the help of the Holy Spirit, my mind went back to a cream that it was used for babies long ago before I even got married. So I used Johnson Baby for moisturizing my baby's body. So this baby secret that I'm showing here, I don't use it. It was the one I used for my first son. While growing up, I saw a lot of mother using this particular cream I got, and it has been in existence for a long time. So I decided to go for it, since it's something that will not go into extinction, because most of the cream I got for my first baby, sometimes the ones that work, after a while, if you go to the market, you end up not seeing them. But this cream has always been there, so I just decided to buy it. With the cream is called mydestin. It is an antiseptic cream that help keep your baby's body safe. Like maybe when your baby's skin come in contact with a dirty surface, or maybe something that may be irritating to his skin, this cream help him protect against those stuff. That's the major function of this mydestin. So after using the mydestin for the face and then the diaper area, I go in with my Johnson Baby cream to use as a moisturizer all over his body. Then finally I go in with my palm kernel oil. That's the last thing I use. I use it for his head, sometimes his hands, and then his feet, just to protect him from cold. So that's the major things I do for my baby bath routine, and this is what we have been doing since he was 2 weeks old. Now he's over 8 months, and this is what we have been sticking to, like, and it's working for us perfectly well. Or sometimes I also use the palm kernel oil all over his body. Maybe when I'm not using the cream for him, I use the palm kernel oil all over his body sometimes. Due to editing, my baby might appear lighter than his actual complexion, so I'm going to add his picture that can capture exactly how his complexion is. I also use a Johnson Baby soap for him, particularly the white one. A quick disclaimer, please. Some of the following practices can help maintain your baby's delicate skin and prevent common issues like dryness and rashes. If you have any specific concern, it's always best to consult with pediatrician or your dermatologist. Always better for you to seek a medical attention when your baby is having any form of skin issue. So in conclusion, these are the products I use for our simple bath routine, which are Johnson Baby soap, Johnson Baby cream, mydestin, and palm kernel oil. Sometimes I use shea butter. So feel free to explore any of those products I mentioned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and drop a comment for us in the comment section. And if you have any question at all concerning this particular video, please feel free to ask your question in the comment section. For now, thank you for watching and God bless you.